Do you find it challenging to get all of your team members on the same page about a product's design? Then UX storyboards can be a great help for you. And they are a super simple way to explain complex user flows to stakeholders to get their initial buy-in. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to UXtweak's channel. Today we are talking about UX storyboarding, what it is, how to create a UX storyboard, and how to leverage AI to make the process straightforward. UX storyboarding is the process of visualizing your user's interaction with the product. In a sense, UX storyboards are similar to storyboards in cinematography. They also contain pictures or sketches and captions for visualization purposes. But instead of specific shots for a movie, UX storyboards depict how a user utilizes a product. UX storyboarding is a great help in clarifying product vision with the team and stakeholders. And you can use UX storyboarding sessions to lay the basis for a prototype you will use for testing. A common misconception is that UX storyboarding is similar to creating wireframes. However, storyboards and wireframes serve different purposes. A storyboard shows the user's journey. It highlights their emotions, goals, and how they interact with the product, step by step. A wireframe, on the other hand, is a blueprint. It focuses on the layout, structure, and features of individual screens. So while storyboards capture the user's actions and experiences over time, wireframes focus on the design elements. Let's look at an example of a UX storyboard for a food delivery app from the Nielsen Norman Group. You can see that the storyboard depicts 7 main stages of the user's interactions with the app. You can also see an additional event right here. It depicts a coupon that the user gets after they fill out the survey. By creating this storyboard, the team can identify what main steps the user will take. Subsequently, they can better identify main touch points where they can improve the user's experience. This UX storyboard also helps understand where the user can be engaged in upselling or further interactions, such as taking customer satisfaction surveys. So, how to create a UX storyboard? First of all, you need to gather the data you will use for storyboarding. The most important information is covered by a user persona, a specific user scenario for the user persona, and a journey map. You can also do some UX secondary research before the storyboarding session. When you're ready, start by focusing on the key steps that users take during the user flow. Ensure your UX storyboard reflects real user scenarios. Then, choose a user persona and a scenario to guide the story and decide how detailed or high fidelity you want the visuals to be. Plan out the panels or the main steps and add visual elements and captions to each one. Remember, the visuals don't have to be perfect. And to create visuals faster, you can use AI tools such as DALL-E to create them. This will save you time on drawing the pictures by hand, and you will have a digital version of the UX storyboard, which is easier to share with stakeholders. Once the storyboard is ready, share it with the team, gather feedback, and revise as needed. The next steps in the design process are creating your prototype and then testing it with your users. If you need a tool for that, make sure to check out UXtweak's prototype testing. The link is in the description. There we go. UX storyboarding is definitely a great, helpful activity to do with your team before prototyping a product. And don't forget, once your storyboards are finished, add them to your UX research repository. This way, you can easily keep track of the motivations behind your design decisions and share access to them with stakeholders. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.